That was funny, Baba.
Hi, Cece. How you doing?
Good.
Okay, what are we going to talk about today? We're going to talk about our mindset and how to develop habits of success for finance.
What is finance?
What is finance? Oh, that's a good question. But first, before we get into the finance bit, we have to worry about our mindset, right?
Whoa.
Nice twirl. So when we talk about mindset, it's all about making sure that you have the right frame of mind when you're approaching problems, right? A lot of people have problems with their finances, right? How much money do you have, Chloe?
Coins.
Coins. She's got some coins, right? So Cece's got some coins that she keeps and she plays with, but they're just pretend coins. We have started a bank account for her, so that's one thing. You know, if you do have children,
You put coin thing and the line to let my coins to put not a big line, only a little line.
that's right. So saving, right? So that's basically what she's trying to say is like it's important to save your money. So how do you know how much money to save? Well, it really depends on your particular living circumstance. Like what is your income? What is your expenses? How much of your paycheck can you save? Right? And that's the most important thing to consider is like how much money you have, right? So when you're trying to figure these things out, it's all about approaching it with a positive mindset, because if you develop the habits of success, then you will be successful. It's simple as that, right? So what are some habits of success? Well, like first thing I said is, having the right mindset. Secondly, you're going to want to live within your means. Her scarf or jacket here is not a very comfortable scarf for me. So living within your means is very important. What does that mean? Well, that means just because Joe Schmo down the street got a brand new watch doesn't mean that you need a brand new watch, right? If you like to wear a watch, go ahead, get a watch, use it or whatever. Everybody has the time on their phones these days, right? So like my phone has the time on it, so I don't need to worry about that. Having a watch, I do have a nice watch, but I don't, with COVID, it's really hard to have a need to wear a watch when I'm at home all the time. That's why I'm outside, just to get out of the house today. So living within your means, right? Don't spend more than you can afford. So part of that means don't be using your credit card unless you absolutely have to. Make sure that your expenses are less than your income. That's the main thing. So to overcome these challenges, you want to set small goals for yourself. So if, let's say, this is just hypothetical, you're making $1,000 a month, right? Not very much money, and you're spending $800 of that on rent, bills, and food, electricity, your phone bill, etc., right? You've got $200 that you can use for the fun stuff, right? But do you really have $200 that you can use for the fun stuff? No, you don't, because you need to make sure that you're saving some for a rainy day, that you're trying to put some away for retirement, that you're taking care of your children's college fund, if that's something that you have. So with these small goals, the best thing you can do is try and get familiar with your particular financial circumstance, setting a budget or something, right? And figure out where can you cut costs, right? So the important thing is just to take action on these goals that you set for yourself. And that's the most important thing. So just to recap today, we're gonna only buy what we need. We're gonna have a positive mindset when we go about this, even though things look grim. We're gonna live within our means, and we're gonna educate ourselves and become familiar with our financial situation. Keep a positive mindset and game smarter or whatever. I don't know how to say this. Like, share, subscribe. If you thought this information was useful, share with a friend. And please like and subscribe. Bye.